Business Domain Specific Least Cybersecurity Controls Implementation, BDSLCCI, is a stepwise and business priority-specific cybersecurity framework for your organization. If you are new to BDSLCCI.com, click on the Sign Up button at the right top. Also fill in the company's website URL, phone number, company registration type, and company address, including a PIN code. Use only an official email address for sign-up. You need to select the specific business domain of your company. Set a complex password for your account during registration. Read the CAPTCHA carefully and enter it into the text box. Read the terms and conditions and click on the Register button. If you could not find your business domain or for any other assistance, click on Need Help button present at left bottom. You can send message to our help desk through this form. Read more about this framework on SecureClaw.com. BDSLCCI Business Domain Specific Least Cybersecurity Controls Implementation. A service by SecureClaw.